What's going on, guys? Today we will be going over how to turn any product photo of a brand into a video that you can place on your own product page. So the example I'm going to do is this was actually inspired off of a tweet I saw, but this is a photo from Forever 21, right? And we turned it into a video like this, right? And that they could place on here. And this was actually inspired from a tweet I saw right here where this went very viral recently, where I guess Forever 21 took this off their website, but they kind of had like AI videos for their product page, kind of like what we see here. And to do this, we actually built a simple Streamlit app that I'm going to show you guys how to build. But how it works is, again, we put in a photo. So we put in I just took a screenshot of this picture here, right? We put in the photo. We can put in any notes that we want to add to the video just in case. Then from there on, it generates the prompt. We can approve the prompt, regenerate the prompt if we don't like it, make manual edits to the prompt. And then from there, it pushes it up into Kling or VO3. You can really choose. It's up to you on what you want to do. And then it makes this said video, right? So this is just a quick, simple like front end I built on top of this. How this is actually built though, okay, is what we're gonna need is a reference product photo and notes. So kind of like what we have right here. And let me refresh this actually, just so it starts all over, right? So what we're gonna have is a reference product photo and notes, okay? So we're gonna input, and for now we're just gonna leave no notes. So let's do this from the beginning to end actually. So where is that? Here it is. So let's drag this picture in, right? So this is the same photo as before. We're gonna then what we're gonna do is then click Analyze Image. So what does Analyze Image do? We're gonna identify if the photo has a model or not. Reason being is if the picture does have a model, we can just push that photo into say VO3 or Kling to generate a video off of it. Otherwise, if it doesn't, just the way I built this, again, I'm not an e-com expert. There's so many ways, so many avenues to build this. I'm just showing you one specific workflow, right? But if there isn't a model in it, then we're gonna want to create a photo using Nano Banana, essentially, of a model, like using this product in some shape or form, okay? So if there is a model in the photo, which there is for this case, then we'll jump straight into generating the video prompt, and it'll generate the video via VO3 or Kling. Otherwise, if it doesn't, right, it'll generate an image prompt for a Nano Banana to generate a photo of this product with a specific model based off the target demographic and everything. Generate that image with Nano Banana, and it'll generate the video prompt from there, and then go the same format. Okay, and I'll show how this works after too, how this flow will work if there is no model inside the photo as well. But yeah, guys, that is actually pretty much the whole workflow to do this, and how we call the APIs to generate photos with Nano Banana and like VO3 or Kling is I just use file.ai. Okay, so really simple API to do all this. And the prompts as well for like say identifying if the model's in the photo or not, generating the video prompt and generating the image prompt. That's all going to be in the description. I'm going to be providing all the code actually for this so that you can find it down in the description, okay? But yeah, so going back to this, so we've uploaded this photo, all right? We hit Analyze Image, so it's going to identify if there's a model in it or not. And it's obviously there's gonna be a model in it, so human model, yes, ignore this, it's just a front end issue. But then we hit generate prompt, it's gonna generate and review the video prompt, right? And then you can edit the prompt if you want, the models gently sway side to side, blah, 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 blah. I approve it, or I can regenerate it or edit it myself. Let's say I approve the prompt, I can choose which video model I want, so I'm gonna choose Kling just because it's a little bit cheaper, and I'm gonna hit generate video. And then from there on, it's just going to generate the video and it's going to pop up when it finishes. And it's going to take a few minutes, so I'm just going to pause the video for a bit. And yeah, now the video is generated. As you can see here, we're going to hit play and look at that, which is so sick how we can just do that automatically. And then if you want to download the video, you just hit download video and it'll download it from there. But yeah, guys, let's do this now let's see how this runs for when it has no model in the photo. Let me go pull up a photo I have. Let's do this. So here's this hoodie from Kill Crew, okay? So let's run through the same process. Analyze image, no human is present. So now instead, no human model was detected. It's going to create a more dynamic video. We recommend generating a new image that includes a model, so generate image with model. And it creates this photo. To be honest, I actually don't really like the fit of this guy. If I could tweak this, I just don't have the time to tweak it right now. When we have the prompt, I would have a way to review the actual prompt where I can like manually edit it myself, kind of like what we did with the video prompt, right? Where you like, hey, here's the generator prompt for the image. Do you want to change anything, add any feedback, or just manually edit it yourself? Just don't really like it because it doesn't fit the brand of Kill Crew. And again, the reason why it didn't though is it just doesn't have context on Kill Crew's website or on just who they are as a brand, which you would include maybe here as a specific requirements for the video for any notes to provide, right? Nonetheless, we can just go through this. So now we analyze the image like before. And now obviously there's a human, now there's a human model in it. We generate the video prompt, approve it. Let's go use Kling once again, generate video, and now I'm gonna pause this as this will take a few minutes. All right, this video just finished up, and let's see how it looks. And which is pretty sick. Again, in an ideal world, I would have a way to adjust the imaging or the image prompt to make it more like Muay Thai, like MMA related or some shit like that. But nonetheless, does a pretty good job. And again, that's the whole point of why we add specific notes, to provide some supplemental context to these AI models as they're generating these images, generating these videos, shit like that, okay? But yeah, guys, the overall flow for this is quite straightforward. Again, just provide a reference product photo and notes, identify if there's a model in the photo or not. If yes, generate the video prompt, push it over to Follow AI to VO3 or Kling. Otherwise, you just generate an image with the image prompt with the model in it. Actually generate the image with Nano Banana, and then the same exact process over again. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much, and hope you guys have a great day.